I love jogging in the morning here. It is 8:05. Zacatecas is just starting to wake up. It's fun waving to everybody as I go running by them. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. We've got an exciting vlog for you today. We're getting ready to, we're in the Centro. We're gonna go pass out some Romans, and our little girl is just growing up a storm, I'll tell you what. So we gotta go find her some new shoes. She's already outgrown her little shoes she's got, and we gotta go buy her some more little shoes, but a little bit bigger than her little ones. So anyway, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go shoe shopping for the little one, and then we're gonna pass out some Romans. We got some other stuff we gotta do today, so it's a good time. Hey, if you would like to see what it's like for a missionary to live in the field, and if you'd like to grow in your own Christian walk, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's do this thing. You guys gotta go check this guy out. He's killing it on the guitar. Have you guys ever vlogged in a coffee shop before? It's super embarrassing. Everybody looks at you funny. Anyway, I completely spaced on recording us getting Gabriella's shoes, so let me show them to you real quick. They're so tiny. They're so cute. They're so tiny and so cute. Look, look. Your shoes. You like your new shoes? You like your new shoes? She loves them. They're just a smidgen big on her though, but that's okay because they grow like a weed. So within a week, I'm sure she'll fit them just fine. So it's a really beautiful day here in Zacatecas. It's partly cloudy, which is awesome because when the sun is out, it is so bright. But it's partly cloudy, 78 degrees. I'm loving it. It's so nice. So on Saturdays, we've got a couple people that we're trying to get to come to church. We go to their house every Saturday morning. We invite them, let them know that there's services and stuff. And we just started having pan dulce and coffee, some sweet bread and coffee in the morning before services. Just try to encourage people to come a little bit more, you know, give them a little sweets and try to encourage them to come a little bit. But we really appreciate y'all's prayers in this matter, that our church would really grow, not only just numerically, but spiritually as well. You know, we've got folks coming to the church faithfully, but we want to see them grow as well. So we would really appreciate your prayers in that. If you would say, hey, I will pray for you, do me a favor, hit the like button. Every like that I get on this video will let me know that you specifically have prayed for us, prayed for our ministry, and prayed for our family, prayed for our church and everybody in the church. I would really appreciate that. So if you could do that, that'd be great. Well, you know, I asked prayer from you guys, so I would like to do this. I would like to end this vlog by praying for y'all. Would that be all right? Let's do that. Father, I just want to thank you for being for being so good to us. Thank you for being so good to me and providing for my family and providing for just everything we need. God, I just want to ask right now at this time for all the people watching this video, I pray that you would give them an extra special blessing. I pray that you would help their services and their churches, that you would just rain down showers and showers of blessing upon their services, that you would meet with them in a great and mighty way. Lord, if there's somebody here that is maybe backslidden, I pray that you would work on their heart, and I pray that you would turn their heart back to you. I also pray for those that are not saved, that don't know you as Savior. I pray that you would work on their heart, that you would tender their heart and give them a heart of flesh and show them how that they need to be saved. I also pray for those that are working hard and faithfully serving you. I pray that you just continue giving them the umption and the gumption that they need to keep going and serving you. I pray that you just please bless us and continue working in our lives to further the gospel to the world. In Jesus' holy and precious name I pray. Amen. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you will, like I said, hit that like button. Let us know you're praying for us. And we'll catch you guys next time right here on the vlog.